week in the Backyard Farmer Garden, with only 2 shows left, we're going to take a look at how did the garden perform this year. I may be a little biased, but I think it turned out fantastic. All of our All-America Selection choices turned out really well. We were very impressed with every single one of them this year. We're still producing lots of fruits and vegetables that are going to our donation pantry. A few things that we are still going to continue doing as we move into the fall. We're going to make sure that we are adding all of our cover crops to all those places that are coming out slowly throughout the season. We're going to add those low tunnels to a couple of our raised beds to extend our season so we can have some of those leafy greens and some of those fall crops further into the fall. And we are going to take inventory of everything and start evaluating and planning for 2026. But just because the season's over and the show's over doesn't mean you can't stop by the Backyard Farmer Garden to check it out. So stop by anytime and see what's still growing throughout the rest of our growing season.